In this video, we'll explain why the iOS 26 app is crashing and walk you through 8 proven solutions to help you quickly restore the normal operation of your apps. Part 1. Why does the iOS 26 app crashing? Here are the common causes of the iOS 26 app crashing. 1. App incompatibility. Some apps aren't optimized for iOS 26 yet. 2. System update bugs. New system updates may have early-stage stability issues. 3. App cache or data conflicts. Old data may clash with the new system after upgrading. 4. Insufficient storage. Lack of storage space can disrupt app performance. 5. Excessive background processes. Too many apps running in the background can cause crashes. 6. System file corruption. Errors during the upgrade can corrupt system files, affecting stability. Part 2. How to fix apps crashing on iOS 26. Below, we will introduce common and effective solutions in order from simple to advanced. Fix 1. Force quit and reopen apps. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause or double-click the home button. Step 2. Find the crashing app and swipe it up to close it. Step 3. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app. Fix 2. Force reboot the iPhone. iPhone 8 and later, quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus, hold volume down and the side button together until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold the home button and the power button together until the Apple logo appears. Fix 3. Update the app to the latest version. Step 1. Open the App Store. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Scroll to see available updates. Step 4. Tap Update next to the problematic app. Fix 4. Delete and reinstall the app. Step 1. Press and hold the app icon on the home screen. Step 2. Tap Remove App, Delete App. Step 3. Restart your iPhone recommended. Step 4. Reinstall the app from the App Store. Fix 5. Free up iPhone storage. Step 1. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage. Step 2. Check which apps or files take up the most space. Step 3. Delete unused apps, photos, or videos to keep at least 5-10 GB of free space. Fix 6. Reset all iPhone settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Tap Reset and select Reset all settings. Step 3. Enter your passcode to confirm. This will not erase data, but it will reset Wi-Fi, privacy, and system preferences. Fix 7. Wait for the next iOS 26 update. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Step 2. Install the latest iOS 26 patch when available. Step 3. Make sure your iPhone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi during the update. Fix 8. Using iOS system recovery. If the previous methods don't work, the issue may be due to corrupted system files or a deep-rooted bug. In such cases, a professional tool like iOS System Recovery can help fix iOS 26 app crashes without causing data loss. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. Once installed, open the program and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and trust the connection. Then, click Start and follow the on-screen prompts to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode and click Confirm to proceed. The tool will begin downloading the required iOS firmware. Step 4. Once the firmware is downloaded, click Repair to initiate the repair process. The tool will fix your device and resolve issues, such as apps crashing on iOS 26.